Yeah, so Emedi simply means that welcome, okay? Amesiere means good morning. If you want to say good morning, you say Amesiere, okay? It means good morning in Ibibio and Efik language, okay? And Didia Udia simply means come and eat. It means come and eat, okay? Di means come. Di means come. Dia means to eat. Eat. Udia means food. So udia plus di plus dia. Udia means come and eat. Okay? Join me and eat, you know. So the next point I'd like to talk about is DTME. DTME simply means come and sit down. Sit down. It simply means sit down. Literally means come and sit down. But DTME means sit down. Join me. Come sit down. Okay. So Afoyemi. Afoyemi simply means you and I. Okay. Afo means you. Ye means and. Me. Like mi means I. Okay. Almost like me. All right. Afoyemi. Afoyemi. All right. So the next point I want you guys to learn is Dibomi. Dibomi. Di, remember, means come. Bo means come, take. Bo simply means take, okay? Take. Dibomi. Dibomi means come and take or have it, okay? As we may say in English. Simply means have it, to give someone something. Or to give something to someone, okay? So the next point is Nmi. Nmi simply means keep it here. Nm means to keep. Okay, me means here. So Nmi. Nmi. Alright? And then Sissy. Sissy means see. See, to see something. Sissy. Okay. Sissy simply means to look. Look. Sissy. Look. Okay. Sissy, look. It's almost like to see as well in my language. Sissy means both of them, okay? Sissy, to look or to see something. Alright, and then the next point I want you all to learn is Seko. Seko, it means look there. Look over there, okay? Seko. Or Seseko. Seko. Seko. See, look there, okay? Seko means look there. And then the next point is Dimi. Dimi means come here. Dimi. Dimi means come here. Dimi, come here, alright? And then Asire. Asire simply means good night. Asire, good night. Okay? And then the next point is Mekomo. Mekomo simply means hello or I'm greeting, okay? I'm greeting or hello or hi. Mekomo, it's a form of greeting. When you're passing by, suddenly you meet a crowd of people or one or two people, like Mekomo, Ekomdo, you know? And then Nomi. Nomi simply means give to me. Nomi. No means to give, to hand over to someone. Nomi means give it to me. Nomi. Okay? Then the opposite of nomi was simply bomi. Nomi means give to me, and then bomi means take. Okay? Bomi, di bomi. Okay? So I hope you've learned something from this. Don't forget to subscribe and remember to click that bell, and then we're gonna move forward into something more, than this. But for now, just stick to the basics of what we're learning right now, and let's see how it goes. Okay? Thank you very much for watching, and stay blessed. Bye bye.